Welcome to Tech Solutions. In this video, we're taking a first look at Pop! OS 24.04. This is not a deep customization guide or a full review yet. This is about first impressions, what you see right after installation, how the system feels, and what immediately stands out when you start using it for the first time. Right after logging in, the first thing you notice is the new Cosmic desktop. This is no longer GNOME. System 76 has replaced it with their own desktop environment built in Rust, and it shows immediately in how fast and responsive everything feels. The desktop loads cleanly, animations are smooth, and nothing feels delayed or heavy. The overall design is minimal, modern, and very focused on productivity rather than visual noise. Let's start with the launcher. Press the Super key and the Cosmic launcher appears instantly. This is the main way you interact with the system. You can search for applications, run commands, and jump into tasks without opening menus or hunting for icons. Typing feels responsive, results appear instantly, and it's clearly designed to keep your hands on the keyboard as much as possible. Even at first use, it feels intuitive and easy to understand. Now let's open a few applications and look at window management. As soon as you open multiple apps, you'll notice that window tiling is built directly into the desktop. Windows automatically snap into place, keeping everything organized without you having to think about it. You can drag windows to the edges to resize them or let Cosmic arrange them for you. There's also a stacking feature where you can place one window on top of another and switch between them like tabs. For a first look, this already feels polished and practical, not experimental. Workspaces are another area where Cosmic feels different. You can switch between workspaces smoothly, move windows across them, and choose whether your workspaces are arranged horizontally or vertically. This is great for users who like separating tasks, such as browsing, coding, and media work. Even without changing any settings, the default behavior feels logical and easy to follow. Next, let's look at the built-in Cosmic apps. The file manager opens quickly and keeps things simple. The terminal matches the desktop design and feels lightweight. The text editor launches instantly and is perfect for quick edits. Everything looks consistent, which makes the OS feel complete instead of stitched together from different projects. This consistency is especially noticeable if you've used older Pop! OS versions that relied heavily on GNOME apps. The Cosmic Store is also part of this first experience. Open it and you'll see applications clearly listed with support for both Flatpak and Deb packages in one place. You don't need to think about formats or repositories right away. For new users, this makes installing software feel straightforward and less confusing than on many other Linux distributions. If you're on a laptop, Pop! OS 24.04 also gives a good first impression with power and graphics handling. Hybrid graphics systems are handled automatically, and you can choose which GPU an application uses with a simple right-click. This is especially useful for users who game, edit videos, or do GPU-heavy work, and it works without complicated setup. Before wrapping up this first look, it's worth mentioning System Settings. The Settings app is clean and organized, making it easy to adjust displays, scaling, and input options. Multi-monitor setups feel smoother, and everything is laid out in a way that makes sense even if you're new to Pop! OS. So, as a first impression, Pop! OS 24.04 feels fast, focused, and confident. Cosmic doesn't try to impress with unnecessary animations or effects. Instead, it focuses on workflow, speed, and clarity. This release feels like the foundation of something bigger, and even in a first look, it's clear that System 76 is serious about shaping the future of their desktop experience. This was a first look at Pop! OS 24.04. In upcoming videos, we'll dive deeper into customization, performance testing, and real-world usage. Thanks for watching Tech Solutions, and I'll see you in the next one.